Hello students, today we will discuss about technical writing. I will give a very brief introduction on what is technical writing. First, let us go through the traditional definition of technical writing or the older version of technical writing. Technical writing is the practice of documenting processes such as software manuals or instruction materials. Traditionally, it was limited to user manuals of some sort. So this was the older version of definition about technical writing. So it is being said here that technical writing was writing about some software manuals or instruction materials like user guides for the consumers. This definition seems to be outdated and therefore this definition have been upgraded. So let us see what is the new definition of technical writing. Today, technical writing encompasses all documentation of complex technical processes. Now, the newer version of the definition has become broad-based. It encompasses all documentation of complex technical processes. Therefore, it includes reports, executive summary, statements, briefs, etc. Anytime technical information is conveyed in writing at work, it is by definition technical writing. So this very broad definition is telling us that any kind of technical information which is conveyed in the form of writing will be considered technical writing. So technical information in written form is technical writing according to the new definition of technical writing. This can include high-tech manufacturing, engineering, biotech, energy, aerospace, finance, IT, and global supply chain. So these are the areas where the technical writing is included. All these areas are covered in the realm of technical writing. How is technical writing different than business writing? Business writing is a much more broader concept, and technical writing falls under business writing. You know, business writing is the parent kind of writing, and in this broad concept, technical writing is merely a point within the business writing. It deals with many of the same topics and documents. Business writings deals with many same kind of topics can be dealt very differently. But still, what we can conclude that the process and the outcomes or the results of technical writing are unique. The three most common types of technical writing include traditional technical writing like repair manuals, medical studies, then end user documentations that we generally see with electronic gadgets or any consumer products like television, washing machine, microwave oven, etc. So the manual guides that comes with this kind of machines are called end user documentation, because the consumers will use these manuals. And technical writing also includes technical marketing content. For example, press releases which contain any technical information of a particular organization or a product, and catalogs of any new products or some brands. So these are the most common types that a technical writer generally uses technical writing in this field. So the manuals, end user documentations, and marketing content. This much for today. Meet you again in the next class. Thank you.